Hello everyone, greetings. Can you believe that we're in March already? Anyways, it's 12:30, and that means that you and I have an appointment for what else? Discuss it with Drake. So, welcome to episode number 83. That's right, 83. What does 83 mean? Well, I graduated in 83, if you want to do some math. How is that possible? Anyways, today's quick tip is going to be get your home ready for spring in 7 simple steps. Right? It's spring in some places. At Haven House, we still have at least a good foot on the snow on the ground, so it's not quite spring there yet. But anyways, before we get started, please, I'm just asking if you'd be kind enough to go over to YouTube and type in Drake's Real Estate TV and hit subscribe. I'd greatly appreciate that. Trying to get to a minimum 100 there because that way I can actually do some fun things with the URL. So if you'd be so kind, I'd greatly appreciate it. And if you stop by, please say hello in the comments. So let's get started. Whether spring cleaning is an ongoing thing for you or a once in a blue moon struggle, the spring months are an ideal time for a home scrub down, right? We all hate doing it though. But, from the standard deep clean to the, to whatever it is that you're doing, make sure that these 7 tasks are on your spring cleaning checklist for a summer-ready home. Hi, Lori. Are you ready? Here we go. Number 1, embark on a deep clean. Sounds daunting, right? Yeah. It wouldn't be a true spring cleaning without a full house wipe down, from dusting the fans. Looking at my fans. My fans are dirty, so it's time. To scrubbing the oven. But you really should be deep cleaning your home at least once a year. Make sure that this actually makes it easier to manage while creating a checklist for each room. So, which rooms need the carpets vacuumed? Are the floors scrubbed or mopped, right? Are there blinds and fans that need dusting, or mirrors and windows that need washing? Along with cleaning, don't forget to clear out the closets, cabinets, and pantries. Toss out expired food and anything broken, and donate gently used furniture that you're not using anymore, that's just taking up space. Space is wonderful, right? And don't forget about the clothing that you no longer need. If you haven't worn it in years, it's time to give someone else a chance to wearing it, right? Say no to hoarding. Anyways, number 2, dust off the air conditioner. After months of quiet, inspect your air conditioner to make sure that it's working efficiently. Run the unit, listen for strange sounds like squeals and rattling, which may indicate that a part is wearing out. Test it for its efficiency by running it like 10 degrees cooler than the outside temperature for at least 10 minutes. Then place, if you have a thermometer, try and get one of those thermometers where you can test the air that's coming out of the air ducts. Lastly, look at the air filter, clean it, replace it if it's clogged. I would actually do that one first. I like to use like a leaf blower to blow any of the debris out of that outside unit. So, number 3, feed your greenery. With spring comes new growth, and with summer, rising temperatures. So make sure that your yard is ready for the changes. Okay, fertilize the lawn with the boost of nutrients. There's tons of stuff out there. Use turf builder to fill any barren patches of grass. Make sure that you use, a nice firm rake to get all that dead grass and twigs and leaves and dead branches. So, hi, Vicky. Anyways, using a weed killer during a string of dry days will make it actually work better. So, you may need to apply it a few times to clear out more stubborn weeds. Number 4, scrub the grill. Well, for me, it's not a big deal because I like to grill all year round. But your grill and outdoor furniture likely haven't seen much use these past few months, depending on where you live. So give them a thorough scrub down so that they're ready and friendly for those sunny days, because they're right around the corner, right? So a good way to clean the barbecue grill is just to turn it on high for like 10 minutes or so, and it's actually going to make it easier to scrape off some of that built up grease and food residue that you may have left behind. I try to clean mine right afterwards. That way it's no big deal. Anyways, there you go. Number 5, reconsider your subscriptions. And I do this quite often. I actually downloaded an app called Truebill, which really helps. But, along with cleaning your home, tidy up your subscriptions. You may find that you aren't using some of them or forgotten some of them. I am I like to subscribe to stuff and then forget to cancel it. Yeah, it's terrible, right? It's money, money, money. I mean, do you really need Hulu, Netflix, and all those other ones? Cancel them if they're duplicate. What about magazine subscriptions? Are you still getting magazines? I get magazines that I've never subscribed for. I have no idea how they're being paid for. So if you're sending me a magazine, thank you, but don't do it again. Anyways, play with your budget to see how much you may be able to save by condensing or cutting back on your subscriptions. Okay, number 6, review your bills. It's actually really important. While you're reconsidering your subscriptions, run through your credit card statements and bills from time to time. Check those utilities and cable services to make sure that you're actually being charged correctly. Reviewing your bills also helps catch any subscriptions or services that you forgot that you had. Again, guilty. This is also a good time to research comparable services and companies, as often you can save by bundling. Bundling. Don't you just love that word, right? Basically, that means I want to give you more stuff that you don't need. Anyways, just check your plans and make sure that you are paying for what you're getting. You also may find that there's better services out there. Do your research. Last but not least, conduct an energy audit. With summer comes rising energy costs. Beat the heat money-wise by assessing your home's energy efficiency. While you can pay for additional, you can pay to have this done professionally, but you can actually do it pretty easily yourself by one of those do-it-yourself home energy audits. So start by assessing major energy drainers, including your air leaks from gaps along edge of flooring, windows, doors. Those are the big culprits, right? Sometimes all you just need is a weather strip. It's amazing what a difference that makes. Make sure that you're checking ventilation in your appliances and insulation, in certain areas of walls and ceilings. You can actually make several small fixes too, like swapping out inefficient light bulbs with LEDs and installing a smart thermostat. That's my next thing to do at Haven House, is a smart thermostat. So now is the season to get your home ready for the summer so that you can relax and enjoy the sun and warm weather, because like I said, it's coming. It's coming. So tackle these tasks all at once, or spread them out over the next few weeks or months, right? It's not just spring cleaning. There should be summer cleaning, fall cleaning. It's all over. Anyways, that's all I have for you today. I hope you found the information useful. I wanted to give a shout out to Realty Times for all the information that they always provide me that I can give to you. So as always, please don't keep me a secret. Share this with people that you know. And if there's a topic that you'd like me to discuss in the future, just let me know. I'll get it on the calendar. I hope you have a fantastic week. Please be kind to one another. And don't forget to live, laugh, and most importantly, love. And until we see each other again on the next Move Matters, contact Drake for Homes. Thanks, everyone. See you later. Bye.